Good morning. Today is Saturday and I thought I'd do a little day in the lifestyle vlog weekend version. So to kick off this weekend, I am off to see my hairstylist, and I feel like a song is coming into my head. I'm off to see the wizard because I need some magic with this hair of mine. It's thinning and I need a haircut that gives it a little more body, makes it look a little more fuller. I'm thinking of maybe a bob. I do need bangs because I've got this handball court going on with my forehead, so I need some bangs to cover that sucker up. So anyway, that is the first on the agenda today. And after that, I'm taking my niece and nephew and we are going for a nature hike. My niece's idea, actually. So I'll take you along for that. All right, so let's just see how this hair turns out. Here's the before, and yeah, ain't much. So let's see what she can do with this. So what do you think? It's a lot shorter, and I got low lights. I love it. It's looks a lot fuller than it did. It's not so scraggly. I got some low lights, so it looks actually a little more blonde than it does gray. It's kind of mixed in there, which I love. And yeah, I really love it. And you know what the best part is my hairdresser told me that she sees lots of new growth all over my scalp. So these little short things that sometimes I rewatch a video and I'll see these little like short hairs like sticking up and I'm like, what the heck? It's new hair growth. And she sees that all over my scalp. So the vitamins I'm taking and oils that I'm using, I guess, are helping. I'm on a lower dose of the medication that was causing a lot of my hair to fall out. So that's probably helped too. So it is growing back. I am thrilled about that. So wonderful day to start this Saturday, I have to tell you. Man, if you need cheering up, girl, go get a haircut. Get a haircut. I needed this so much. All right, so enough about me. Actually, this whole video is about me. Guess that's what a vlog is. But anyways, I'm gonna pick up my niece and nephew and take my new hair out for a little nature walk. So we are on our way to our nature hike. As you can see, I am in the passenger seat, which means my niece is driving. She has her permit. So hanging on tight, and hopefully I will see you later on when we get there.
Hey!
Bye. One of my favorite places to hike is part of the Desert National Wildlife Refuge, which is only about 30 miles north of us. It's the largest refuge outside of Alaska at 1.6 million acres, and I feel so lucky that it's close enough for us to drive to and enjoy. It's a happy face.
You see,
Maybe they're saying happy trails. This enclosed tank is home to an endangered species called the Pahrump poolfish. They're located in only 3 places in the entire world, and all 3 places are located right here in southern Nevada. Hi again, we are back from our little adventure today. It was a really good day. I got my hair done, which felt wonderful and just gave me this huge boost of confidence. I can't tell you, why is a woman's hair like so, I don't know, so much a part of like who we are and how we feel about ourselves, but it is. And so I just want to say it again, if you're feeling down, go get a haircut. Really, get your hair done. It'll make such a difference. Anyways, so I got to do that, got to spend some quality time with the kids, got to spend some time outdoors. It was just a day where everybody was happy. And you know what? It was a want to day. Like so many days are have tos. You know, I have to take them to the orthodontist. They have to take them to get their vision eye tests, which we have to do tomorrow, by the way. You know, have to do this, have to go get them this, have to do chores. Everything's a have to, but today, everything today was a want to, and we don't get too many days like that. So I'm grateful. We just had a really good day. And now, even after having that big Japanese food, well, it wasn't a huge lunch, but it was like very filling. It's Japanese food lunch that we had today. I got a text from my daughter and son-in-law who live across the street, and they want to take the kids out to Korean barbecue. Which I really, like, I can't eat $30 worth of meat, which is usually what the Korean barbecues are. It's not chicken, it's just like all meat, red meat. I can't do that, but the kids, my bottomless stomach, endless appetite teenagers, they're all for it. So they're excited they get to go have Korean barbecue here in about half an hour. And that means I get some very quiet, peaceful time on my patio, which is my favorite place in my house. So I'm excited about that. I get to just sit out here and relax a little bit. So yeah, it was just a really good day, and I'm grateful, just grateful for it. So I'll leave it at that. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I see you in the next video. And I hope that you had or are having a really good day too. And if you're not, do a want to today. Give yourself a want to, and that'll just turn your whole day around. It won't be a have to. Don't make it an all have to day. Do a want to. So on that little thought, I'll say bye, and I hope to see you in the next video.